of English. Students, let's continue the chapter of supplementary reader, and the book name is Moments, and this is the chapter number 7, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. And students, till now we have seen that as two friends, Sue and Johnsy, who were living in the same flat, having a good understanding, and once Johnsy got ill, she got pneumonia, and one strange thing was happened with her. Then she was supposing, it means she was relating her life, her health, with an ivy creeper which was cleansing to a wall nearby her window. And as it was autumn season and leaves were falling down, and now as Johnsy, she was counting those falling leaves as 10, 9, 8, 7. So she was thinking as leaves were falling down. So when last leaf, it means if one leaf will remain on the climber or creeper, then as last leaf would fall down, she would be died. So by taking this misunderstanding, by taking this we can say wrong thought as she was having in her mind, so she was not recovering. Doctor was also concerned about her, and her good friend Sue was also worried about her. Then why medicines were not affecting? So as doctor was thinking that if she is bothering about anything, so she would not be recovered and medicines would not show and give any effect. So later on, as Sue came to know about the disbelief of Johnsy, that as she was relating her life with the falling leaves of ivy creeper, so she tried to divert Johnsy's mind, but Johnsy was not giving any response. So concerned Sue discussed all this matter with Behrman, who was a painter and who wanted to make a masterpiece, a famous painting in his life, but he was unable to do in his life. And he was a neighbor of Sue and Johnsy. So when Sue told each and everything to Behrman, he was also well-wisher of Johnsy. He wanted to do something for Johnsy. So what he did, he painted a same leaf of ivy creeper, and he took a ladder and sticked this leaf in the place of that one leaf which was left on the ivy creeper. And all this process was done when Johnsy was sleeping, so that she would not know about this, and she would get a hope by seeing that last leaf, because here Sue tried to told Johnsy then all these things, whatever she was thinking that this is wrong, this is only misunderstanding, but Johnsy was not ready to believe Sue. So at last Sue had to do this, as she discussed with Behrman, and Behrman painted a leaf and sticked on the place of that real leaf which was about to fall, because of autumn season, and one leaf was left and that would fall any time, and that also fell down. So now this leaf, which was identically same as a real leaf, it was seeming as a real leaf, it was sticked on the wall. Now as it was pasted, it was sticked by Behrman only to give a new hope of life to Johnsy. And now here, later on what happened? Then what was the effect of this leaf on Johnsy? So this we will read today in this session. But before starting explanation, let's see hard words. Janitor. Janitor means a person who is a caretaker or doorkeeper of a building. Wondered. Wondered means something that is surprising or hard to believe. Flattered. Flattered means to move with quick, light movements. And now key points of today's explanation are: as Behrman paints a leaf, Johnsy starts getting bulb, and Sue informs Johnsy of the mystery. So when Behrman painted an ivy leaf, it means he painted a leaf and then he sticked it at the place of real leaf which was fallen down. And in this process, in this sticking, and actually it was a rainy day, and on that night when Behrman was painting that leaf, so it was raining heavily and wind was also icy cold. So Behrman, who was 60 years old, he was an old and weak person, and because of weakness and because of icy cold wind and winter season, then here he got ill and he got pneumonia. So even he was successful in making that painting that leaf and sticking on the wall. That process was done, but in that process he got pneumonia and was died within 2 days. So it was a great problem for Behrman. Now he painted, it means his work of painting was done, but it gave a great problem to the Behrman. So now that leaf which was painted by Behrman, that by seeing that leaf, Johnsy got a hope of life, as she was thinking last leaf is still there, it was remained and it was not falling down. So she started getting a hope of life, and she kept looking out of the window and noticed that the last leaf was not falling. Even wind and the rain did not make the leaf fall. She realized that she was wrong in supposing that she would die with the falling of last leaf, and she started getting well, and within a few days then she recovered and she got well. Now as she got well and she was having good condition, she was having good physical condition, and day by day she was getting well. When she got well completely, Sue informed her about the mystery which was unknown by Johnsy. Sue informed that she has got, Johnsy has got well due to the efforts of Behrman. It means if Johnsy got well, that was only because of the great efforts of Behrman. And Behrman, who was greatly concerned about Johnsy's condition, he did a wonderful thing. He painted a similar leaf of ivy creeper, and he used a lantern and ladder and pasted it on the ivy creeper. So even it was raining heavily and he got wet completely, and he was struck with pneumonia and died after 2 days. So Behrman had painted a masterpiece which he wanted to make in his life. So this masterpiece was looking identical to the leaf on the ivy creeper. It was sticked on ivy creeper in this way that it was seeming that it was the really it was a part of that creeper. It was not seeming that it was pasted or like it was attached, but it was looking like as a real part of that creeper. And in this process of helping Johnsy, Behrman had fallen ill and died. So here he completed his mission, and in this way he made this masterpiece. In the real sense, it can be considered or it can be called a masterpiece of Behrman, because now this masterpiece had given life to a person, and in the real sense it was a masterpiece. So when Sue told all this mystery to Johnsy, Johnsy regretted over his misunderstanding or disbelief, but it was so late. So students, we have seen this story that in which three characters are there, Sue, Johnsy and Behrman. And as three characters are main in their place. But here we can say that Sue, then who was a good friend and well-wisher of her friend, then she paid complete attention towards her friend and she did her duties well towards her friend. And Behrman, then who was a painter, he was a professionally, then he showed his talent in a proper way, and along with that he was a perfect human being. Then he had shown a great example of humanity. So just to save life of Johnsy, then he gave sacrifice of his life. So he was a multi-talented person, means he was a perfect painter as well as a great human being and great well-wisher, sacrificer. So we have seen many qualities in one character, and that was Behrman. So students, with this, now the story has completed. I hope that you have understood the story. Still, if you get any confusion, any doubt, ask by calling or making text. You are welcome to clear your doubts. Complete your notes on time and take care of yourself. Thank you.